Hey everybody, so for the final video today, I will be showing off my Bissell CleanView Bagless Special Edition. These were released in 2003 and were a Best Buy exclusive and were basically the same as the regular CleanView, except it was in a fun metallic red special edition color. But it wasn't out for very long. These were discontinued in 2004 and replaced with the Bissell CleanView 2 Special Edition, which ran for 5 years, so I mean, is it even really Special Edition anymore? Anyways, I got this about a little over 3.5, almost 4 years ago from Intelitech Studios. It was in really bad shape. The motor was about to burn out, the height adjustment wheels were broken, the brush roll was seized, there was a stripped out screw on the base plate. It was just in bad shape, but I cleaned it up, fixed it, put new height adjustment wheels and a new brush roll in it, and a brand new motor. Although I did that part recently. I put an old motor that wasn't on the verge of burning out in it, but this new motor I put in last year, so it's not, and it doesn't have that much use on it. I also don't remember if I replaced the bulb or not. I don't think I did because I'm pretty sure it still worked. Anyways, so yeah, that's that. Now, bottom up, as usual, 12 amp motor, dual edge cleaning, 7 height adjustments, goes all the way down to bare floor, low carpet, and then all the way up to high carpet. Got your headlight right here, a bayonet bulb, which is my preferred bulb of choice because it projects more light. They burn out more often than the peanut bulbs, but they still project much more light. Got your filter in here, pre-motor filter. This filter never doesn't get that dirty that fast, at least not as fast as the other filter, but still clean it after every couple of uses. Slide this lever to the left. You can probably see the handle release pedal is broken, and is very badly broken, because usually you can do that and it'll stay, which right now it is, but you can see it doesn't stay for very long, and normally it won't even stay. I'm just getting lucky, I guess. I'm not even gonna worry about it right now. Dust cup comes out. There's a sticker back here showing you how to clean the filters. It says, for maximum cleaning performance, check and clean all filters frequently. Frequently as in at least check them after every use and clean them after every few uses. I'm pretty sure frequently doesn't mean once every 3 months. That's all I'm gonna say. Anyways, yeah. Oh, I almost forgot. So in just like every other CleanView, you twist this knob on the back to the left. Yeah. And the upper tank comes out, and you twist this bottom piece, and the filter comes out. Filter could probably, it could probably go another use or two without being cleaned. And the good thing is, and why this is my preferred Bagless Bissell setup, is because it's so easy to clean, and because all the filters are washable. You can take this entire upper tank out, wash the louvers, wash all this plastic thing. You can even wash the dust cup too. So that's really nice. So that dust cup goes back in like that, and you twist it to the right to lock it. Let me pull this cord out from under it. And then the dust cup, hold on. The dust cup sits back in like that. So you've got the sticker on the handle, simplify your life, no more bags ever. Maximum power, high suction power for thorough cleaning, 3-stage filtration. Filtration media captures dust and microparticles. Lightweight design is easy to maneuver and carry. and clear deluxe stretch hose, extra long wire reinforced hose, and ready to use tools for above floor cleaning. So, if we turn it to the side here. Anyways, if we turn it to the side here, we've got the power switch right there and filter on the side. I put a HEPA filter in here, but normally this would have came, but originally this would have came with that thin black post motor filter that the Power Forces came with, but I upgraded this one to a HEPA to, you know, give it at least a little bit better filtration. So, yeah. Then on the back, we've got this terrible dusting brush that would probably scratch any furniture it tried to clean. Yeah, it's awful. And I don't think any of these attachments are original. I'm pretty sure they're all replacements. Extension wand. I know this is an extension. This extension wand is a replacement because there's no writing right here. And crevice tool. The older style crevice tool that was slightly different than the later one, as it had these suction relief holes up here. Then we've got our hose. This is one of the older ones that swiveled at the machine end. The later ones were twist and snap. And the hose, like most other Bissells, there you can see swivels. Is long, still reaches the ceiling, decent length. Still could this one, but this one seems like it's shorter than the later twist and snap models, so it could be longer. I think it is shorter than the later twist and snap models were. So data sticker is down here. So, God, what is this thing doing? Anyway, hold on. Okay. This is model 3575-8, made in Korea, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 12 amps, manufactured on January 6, 2004. 6th day of 2004. So, then on the side, there's the cord hooks. Now let's go ahead and run this. So, anyways. Pretty sure this needs a belt, but I don't remember for sure. But here we go. This thing sounds amazing. Yeah, you can tell that brush roll is already going bad despite only being a couple of years old. Bissell just downgraded the quality on everything. Anyways, see what we got. A little bit of stuff after, like I said, oh, well, I didn't say this. You know, as you know, this rug was just vacuumed with 3 other vacuums, so, you know, not expecting much, obviously. Anyways, that was my Bissell CleanView Bagless Special Edition, and I hope everyone enjoyed.